Dear school leaders, you know very well that National Education Day coinciding with the birth anniversary of Maulana Azad is celebrated in the country every year on 11th November. So this time also the Education Day is being celebrated by Association of Minority Educational Institutions on 11th November at FTCCI. Earlier it used to be called as FAPSI at Red Hills, and in this meeting we have invited our Education Minister Srimati Sabita Indra Reddy, and she has consented to be our chief guest, and Janab Mahmood Ali Saab, our Home Minister, will be presiding the meeting. And apart from them, we have A.K. Khan Saab, IPS retired. He is currently Advisor Minority Affairs to the Government of Telangana. And apart from him, we have invited Sri Sandeep Kumar Sultania sir. He is Principal Secretary Education. And we have also invited as guest of honor Srimati Sri Devasena. She is Director School Education. And we have also invited Muhammad Abdul Azim Sahab, IAS Secretary to Government. And more particularly, I would like to mention Professor Amarullah Khan Sahab, a well-known economist. He is source of inspiration and motivation behind all this campaign. As I said, this National Education Day, we wish to not just mark the birth anniversary of Maulana Azad, but speakers hopefully will talk about the contribution made by this great soul, son of India. And more particularly, as I said in the beginning, in this meeting, we would like to discuss the problems being faced by the budget school sector and how big the role they are playing in the Indian economy, and how the government should recognize this budget school sector, and what should be the role of the civil society. Particularly the impact, we will be discussing the impact of COVID on this budget school sector. So in order to make this event a grand success, because it's a big challenge, it is not just the simple celebration, but it is a collective responsibility of all, particularly those who are connected with the education and those who are connected with the budget school sector. So we would like to have a consultative meeting today at EMA Ideal School, Kishan Bagh at 3 o'clock. This time is kept particularly for the convenience of lady correspondents. So I wish maximum number of school correspondents join this consultative meeting and share your expertise and be part of this celebration, and be part of a campaign for self-respect, and be part of the campaign to bring back the schools after the severe impact of COVID-19. So hopefully we will all join for the common cause. As I said, today we'll be waiting for you at MA Ideal School at 3 o'clock. So till then, thank you for listening to me.